Good morning.
Okay, welcome. So what we're going to do here is basically we're going to do a few features to demonstrate a few features to you guys. One of it is the lane keep assist and lane departure warning, and the other one is ICC, intelligent cruise control. Alright, so let me show you first intelligent cruise control. What it does basically is it works exactly like adaptive cruise control. Alright, so what is adaptive cruise control? Basically it's cruise control and it adapts to the speed of the car in front of us. So let's just say I set 100 km, the car in front is going at 50, I'll go at 50. If the car stops, I will automatically stop as well. Alright, okay. So ICC, the difference is it keeps the car in the middle of the lane while doing that as well. Alright, so that's the specialty. Alright, so lane keep assist, same thing. As what I mentioned, it keeps the car in the middle. But if you don't like that, you can actually turn it, you can set a different settings. So in assist mode, you can set to warning only, departure prevention, and centering control. So centering control, it keeps the car in the middle lah, right? And that pairs together with warning. So warning, audible warning, it beeps you, tell you that okay, you are swerving to the right lane. Okay. Tactile, it vibrates, or you want both lah. Okay.
Alright.
Yeah. So ICC, which is lane keep assist, works above 60 to 150, macam highway speeds lah. ICC works 30 to 150 km. Okay, how it detects is it will turn blue here. So once it's activated, it will turn blue. It has already seen the car in front. You can see. So you see the car here?
Yeah.
So it knows that there's a car in front, and it sees the line. Okay, but once it turns blue, means it's activated. Okay.
Okay.
So let's get out. See the other as well. Okay. So again, LKA works above 60, so I'll increase the speed to 60. Okay. I'll turn on my ICC. So ICC speed is set to 64. Line, it detected blue color.
Yes.
So that means it has turn. But after, if the corner is too sharp, it will not detect the lines. Because at the end of the day, the driver is always in full control. Okay, so once the car straightens up again, it will detect the line in front. So once it turns blue, then okay, it's activated. So again, I'm not touching I'm not stepping on the throttle. Okay, turn blue. Okay, so let's just say if I fall asleep, I move to the right. So it will keep the car in the middle of the lane, rather than doing this and this and this. Okay, so
maknanya dia slowly adjust to center.
Correct.
So itulah beza dia dengan current system.
Yeah, correct. So it's lane centering lah. Okay, so again you see the corner here, it will detect, it will turn. But if it's too sharp, it will not.
Like this one?
Yes, it's turn. You see, it's turning, it's turning. Then the thing turn grey. Alright. And if I were to signal, okay, once it detects the line, I can go to the next lane, of course. I signal, it turn off, so I can go.
Okay, pretty normal.
Yeah, it's normal lah. Saya buka here.
Bagi signal dia masuk tukar lane sendiri macam tu?
Tak.
Tak kan?
The signal is to tell the car that I want to change lane. So dia takkan tarik balik lah. Dia takkan tarik balik lah.
Dia kan automatically.
Alright, again. So now I step on the brakes. Cruise control system deactivated. So my speed will go down lah. But I just have to resume. I just press tekan atas, it resume to 65 km. So now I will demonstrate blind spot. Okay. So what it does, if the car is overtaking on the right, you look here.
Line check, target, change over 1145, target.
Okay. Look at this. There's
Yes.
yellow like car coming. Okay, hold on. There, the car over here. And if I signal, it beeps, telling me that there's a car next to me, buyer. Okay. So now he cut in front of me. I will increase my cruise control speed to 100 lah, or 90 lah. See now, you see the car in front of me here, the icon here. It turned blue, means it has detected the car in front and activated ICC to that car in front. So my speed is set to 90, but he's going at 70.
Maknanya we don't have to buat suggestion lah.
Correct.
Betul. If dia detect, kita boleh tahu yang dia detect.
Correct.
Then we
yes, correct. Okay. So kalau kereta tu now in front of us slow down to 0, my car also will slow down to 0. So you see,
there is benda Itu typical lah sekarang. Tapi untuk tahu yang betul ke dia detect kita depan
Yes.
ada ketak,
Ya. Ya.
ya.
Ini bukti dia.
That blue.
Yes. Right, so same thing again. If I go right, so ICC is the difference. You will keep the car in the center. Here, 1U. So now it's in the center lah. But if my car can't detect the lines, but ada kereta kat depan, I will follow the car. But that will be very low speed lah.
Yeah. Even though they change lane.
Yes. So now it has detect. Still can see the car in the corner.
Yeah.
That's why I'm going slower than 90. My speed is set 90. So it's going to brake, huh? I won't brake. I won't touch the brake. I'm not braking. So now because dah tak ada line kan, so you follow the car in front.
Oh. Okay.
See that?
So
But now
very easy to understand lah sekarang ni.
correct. So kalau jam kan, these are the small things kan. For jam dia not tired tau, tak penat.
Ya, betul.
So then if he picks up speed, I'll pick up speed as well. But now he's starting to hold my steering. If not, he will deactivate everything. Safety feature lah. So at the end of the day, there's no autonomous driving. At the end of the day,
Still have to
the driver is always in full control.
better lah.
Yes.
So before this kena buat assumption hidup ke tak.
So you see now kita ada bump brake kan in the corner kan. I'm not braking Ni kita brake.
Oh.
The distance of the car can be chosen from these two buttons. Minimum, then you press all the way to the maximum. You see here this button, these dots here. Yeah. So if I'll go to the minimum lah.
Yeah, tu. Okay.
Of course, higher speed will be further lah.
Yes.
So now I will demonstrate to you standing still traffic. Alright. So again, ICC works from 30 to 150 kan. But it will stop all the way to 0 as well. So I'm not braking So kalau dia brake and he start moving dalam 3 saat, my car will automatically move. I'm not touching anything, okay? So you move off, kereta I pun gerak. I tak tekan minyak. Tapi kalau dia brake kan lebih daripada 3 saat, kereta I takkan gerak. I'll show you.
You have to command back.
Yeah. ICC is still on.
Okay.
Cuma you need to activate it. Okay, lepas 3 saat tengok ada kereta lagi. Okay, dia jalan I takkan gerak. Dia akan beep lebih 3 saat. Front vehicle drive away. So to activate aja, you tolak ni atau tekan minyak. Tekan minyak. ICC is on again at 90 km. So sebab ada kereta kat tak ada kereta, dia akan pick up to 90 until they detect the car in front. You kan tengok sini.
Applicable to traffic.
Now it's lane centering. Jumpa kereta dah. So you slow down.
Now ada inform yang
Yes. Correct.
mereka changing lane.
Alright guys.
Alright.
ADAS AEB here. You can see autonomous emergency braking, front collision warning. So this one it can be turned off, the warning. Yeah. Okay. So once you turn it on, by default the sensitivity is at high. Okay. So you can actually switch between high, medium and low.
Okay.
We'll try it along the way, see how it works. You can also turn off the AEB as well. Yeah, once you turn it off, the FCW goes off as well. Yeah, as for if you don't want to function. Okay, so we're gonna test it at high first. Yeah. Few things to note is that the system does not work on the radar. It only works solely on camera alone.
I
Okay,
see.
so there's only
Okay.
a camera, yeah, to detect everything. Okay, it's a high def camera, no radar in front. Like some other cars, they have a radar and the camera working together, but this one's only the camera. Right. So also the warning system itself there's an audible warning, okay, which you can hear it when the system kicks in, and also there's a visual warning in the dashboard here, but most people won't be looking at it anyway. Right. So the front car is moving off at about 25 kilometers per hour. So once he passes the line over there, I'm going to accelerate towards him at about 70. So once the system kicks in, you can hear the audible warning. Okay, right. Okay, so that's the audible warning. And also you can see the visual warning in the dashboard. It will ask you to press the brake, it says. So for this one, I'm actually manually applying the brakes myself.
Okay.
Okay. So we are going to try another run. Okay, this time I'm going to switch the sensitivity to low. So there's low, medium and high. This time we try it low. So for the low, the warning comes in much later. Yeah, as compared to the high. So if you don't apply the brakes fast enough, the AEB will take over and intervene. Yeah, which is what's going to happen on this run. Okay, let me show it to you how it's done. So same thing, the car in front will move for about 25 kilometers. So this time we accelerate towards the car at about 70. We're going to let the AEB take over. Speed is about 70. System picks up the car. Okay. So it applies the emergency brake. Yeah. So once you see the emergency brake comes in, if it's braking hard enough, the ESS will come on as well. Yeah, emergency stop signal. The hazard light will flash very quickly. Okay, that's the ESS taking over as well. So, but as for this one, because the object in front is still moving, so the AEB does not come to a complete stop. Yeah. So now we're gonna do another trial, which will put a static object, in the middle of the road. So we'll be going at a speed of about 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, just rolling. So sensitivity is on medium now. Okay, we are going at about 50. So it picks up the object. Okay, so once you're too near, the system will take over and intervene. Okay, so what happens is that when you stop completely, the auto hold will come on as well. Yeah, you can see that.
Okay.
Initially, it wasn't on.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but after the AEB comes to a complete stop, by default, it'll engage the auto hold as well.
I see.
Okay. So this is all the function of the AEB. Yeah. That we are doing here.
All right. Interesting.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay,
Good.
Any question?
long more for the activity to finish.
Sebelah tadi, belok kanan. And then kita akan sampai ke section handling. So ini simulation jalan raya kat Malaysia, ada concrete lah, ada macam ni semua. So just roll 50 to 60 km/h.
Okay, how does maintain 50 plus?
Kan. Ni jalan ni LPT 2 lah.
Nice.
One round. Untuk belakang macam mana bang?
Okay.
Okey ya. Dia tak bottoming up.
Sebenarnya comparison yang sesuai untuk kereta ni, compare dia dengan Vios ke atau compare dia dengan CTA ataupun orang artis lah, macam mana?
Dia in between.
In between kan? Sebab tengok pun macam tak boleh nak decide dia dekat mana ke.
Judgement tu untuk pulang kepada yang menilai lah. Kita, saya tak boleh bagi apa-apa komen masa bahagian handling ni je. Tapi bab handling dia memang saya tak akan kata yang apa, takkan kata dia tak best lah, sebab memang handling dia firm kan. Bila kita buat slalom tu pun dia tak ada body roll yang terlampau.
Yes. Dia
dah sampai
tak
sangat
rasa understeer ke.
Yeah.
Not bad. Sangat precise lah dia. Masa you nak steer kat